Welcome guys, let's start to make this simple 3D model part in our Catia software. So here you can see a 3D model of this, what we call clamp stop. Actually it is the name of this part, the clamp stop. And at bottom you can see 2D drawing of this sketch. Let's start to make this part in our Catia software. So first of all, Catia software, go to start, mechanical design, part design, and give what you want to do and press OK. And as usual, we are not using this plane because we are creating our own axis. So head this plane and make sure you are in geometrical shared work plane and call one point. Press OK and insert axis system to give this point as input. Now let's start to make this part. So first of all, we are creating this base. So go to sketch position, select this Z work plane, originate this point. Orientation should be parallel to this. And let's start to create this. So we can create only one side and we can take a mirror of this part. Draw some red sketch like this from here to here. Now we start to give some dimension to this. Actually from here it is 150, so half of 150 is come here, 75, increase some more 20, and this to this point, this come as 180, so take half of 180 here. And height of this is 50. Take this from this side, which is 50. Make sure this line connect this side. Make sure this line is exactly coincident with this. Now we can create a new line here. And move this to this 25. And let's start to give angles here. Before giving angle, make sure you have given axis. And only we can give line angle to it. So give to axis here. And now let's start to do the angle to the here. So from here to here it is 11, from here to it is 10. So we start to do this angle and this to this. Directly come 11, and from there it comes 10. This command and this we are given this is 150, 50, and this is 50, Actually this axis is not perfectly, so make sure this axis is vertical. Yes, now you can see it is perfect. Make sure this was also vertical. You can see that this line is not exactly coincident, so make sure this axis is exactly coincident with this, and this also. Yes, it's exactly coincident, and it's also exactly coincident. Now our one side sketch is ready. Now let's drag this all sketch and go to mirror command at this operation tab and select this axis, this vertical axis, so you can get a similar sketch on other side. Now we can check our sketch is fully constrained only this axis value we have to do, because we are not given a value to this axis. It's unconstrained. Now we can check some axis value we have to, but our sketch is fully constrained. So exit this to the sketch workbench. Now make sure before giving pad option to this, you are in a part ball with define object. Yes, now we are in part about define object. Now go to the pad command and select this to the sketch. Don't forget to check this mirror action and go check what is value of this pad. So actually this value of this pad is total distance is from 110. So we are selected mirror, so we are giving half of this. It is 55. This pad is done. Now let's start to make this upper part. So the value of this upper part, diameter of this hole, or what we call this flying leg structure, is 50. So go to sketch position, select this XY plane and push point as this, orientation value to this line. Let's start to create one circle here, which is exactly coincident to this horizontal axis, and diameter of this circle is given as 50. Here you can see, and this is this circle actually from center. It comes 47, means this comes 47. We should click this first of all, give here was 47. Now give dimension from this vertical axis this, and delete this dimension, because we are normally we are giving dimension from the origin only, means from this vertical axis or this horizontal axis. You can see this yellow line and this yellow vertical line and this horizontal vertical line, so these lines are called as origins. So make sure to give dimension only from this origin. So our this sketch is fully constrained. Now we can see from this sketch solving status. So come back, exit to the sketch workbench. Now check what is the value for height of this. Actually height from this for this circle is 90 from the base of the circle. So make sure that where is our sketch. Yes, our sketch is at the base. Go to pad and select the value here as 90 and preview, make preview, but we don't want this extra material of this circle to at bottom, so we more and make some less distance. Yes, you can take here minus 30 and make preview. Now you can see our sketch is perfect. Actually we have removed some material from this photo mask. It's okay. Now over this hole is this circle is red. Now our next task is to make this type of circle, semicircle here. Make sure what are the dimensions are given. Yes, we have dimensions also. So go to sketch position, select this ZY plane. Origin as this projected point. Orientation is parallel to this line. Go to create one circle here. Actually the radius value of this is given 920 radius value. So go to here and make here changes radius. Value of this circle is 20 radius, and from bottom it is at 40 distance. Sorry, 45 actually. Yes, now so once it is done, actually from center this circle is exactly matching this. So we make it in horizontal direction from this. Delete this first of all and give here value as 47 because this to this is same from this center to this. Now give from this to this because we are not taking this dimension from other parts, we are exactly taking dimension from origin or this axis system. Now this sketch is perfectly fully considered. Now check what is we want is up to this field. So to bear command, select the sketch, already it is selected. So make it somewhat less. Yes, it is 55 to make it big. That's okay. Now it is come exactly like this. See. Our next task is to create this this flange like a structure here. So let's start to go at XY plane, select XY plane from the sketch position. Select the point as this, orientation is parallel to this line. And create one circle here. It's exactly coincident to this because already it has center, means from this to this circle it is 4. From this to this line it is at a 55 distance. So we are drawing this circle on this horizontal line and outer radius value is given as radius 20. Give this value and we can see that this circle is from this is at 47 50, I think so. Yes, as we can see here is 47, and this horizontal line is dimension 50. So give first of all dimension from this, and now give this center from this. Delete this previous dimension which we are getting from this previous diagram. Now this circle is ready. Now our main task is to go to line and make sure draw this line tangent to this circle and other side also. Yes, we have created two tangent lines. And close this at this point and trim this extra circle line and give some dimension to this also. Yes, now it is fully constrained. So exit the 2D sketch workbench. Now check how much pad value we have to do. Actually we can see this part is placed on this face, so means it is at a 50 value, and plus this part is having height as a 5, so we have to give pad value actually as 50 plus 5 plus 55. Yes, now that's okay. And you can see this part is complete, but the top bottom side material also comes. So click on this, double click to this part, go to more and make it some material less because we don't know how much we have to give. And when this part comes some inside portion of this face, okay, so you can see this part is coming like this. Now only we have to do some holes. We have to add holes here. So let's start to make this upper hole first. Value hole diameter 25. So making this hole, we have to go here, hole command, click this space. You can see it come exactly at the center. So no need to go here as a position sketch because it is already come at the center. And actually diameter value of this hole is 25, and this hole is not blind. Up to next we have to take. Now it's okay. Now hole is created. Exactly same type of hole in this face. So okay, you look on this hole, select this face, and first of all we can check what is the value of this hole. Value of this diameter hole is 20, but you can see it is not perfectly aligned to this. So here we have to go position sketch. Now make sure to coincide this on this. So right click here and make coincide. Come back to our command. Now it is perfect. Okay. Now it come fully close. And here you can see another hole, but it is blank. So go to hole command again. Select this face. You can see this hole is not perfectly come at the center. So go to position sketch again. You have to check exactly what value of this. So from this point to this point, this hole is Your horizontal measure is at 47 center. It is 47 actually. Yes, now it is come perfect. So make sure to give this nomination for this axis. Delete this. Now it come perfect. Now we can, but actually height we have to take also. So height of this from this base is 45. Go to select perfect dimensions here. Now you can see it is exactly come at 45. Yes, it is at 45. Now exit this position sketch workbench, and here our this hole is somewhat planned because this will have some depth width. So first of all, see the diameter of this is 10. So go to diameter, 10 mm, and depth here you can see actually it is symbol of depth. So the depth value is 20. Value is 20. And you can see our 20 depth hole in diameter 10 is great. Now our sketch is complete. Our 3D model sketch, 3D model part is completed 90% because we have to only give some fillet values. So the first fillet we are giving is this is 15, means 2 times 15 from here. Go to fillet and select this corner edge and this corner edge. This corner and value of this fillet is 50. Now again select this fillet and this H2. And from this to this new fillet, and this also actually you select all values. So go to remove only this. You can make this someone. So you perfect edge on this up to here and same on other side. The value of this is 2. You can see here. So this 2. Now here actually radius value is 5. You can see here only 5 is given. Let's check other values given or not. You can see 5 means all here from is from this to this and this to this, all values are 5 only. Yes. Now go to fillet, select this edge, or mistake on this, remove this, select proper this edge and this edge, this edge also, this edge also, last to this also. Value of this is 5. Actually this select, remove this last to select. Now check this comes perfectly. Each filter. Here we can get some sharp corner. So select this again, now give 5 and let's check what is happening. So it is overcome. You can see. Now you can check that our exactly part. So here also we have to create. Now you can see our exactly part is created.